Hi everyone, this is Babita. Welcome back to my channel Become Excellent in English. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to improve English speaking alone at home. Guys, let me one thing. Do you want to know about it? If yes, you watch this video till the end because in this video, I will give you some unique tips which will help you to improve your English speaking. And this video is going to very beneficial for you all. Watch this video till then. Without further delay, let's begin the video. Guys, the unique tips that I'm going to tell you are very easy and simple to understand. Let's see what the tips. Tip number one is that focus on listening. Guys, why am I saying focus on listening? Because if you focus on listen regular, if you listen a lot, you will definitely able to think in English and you will definitely able to speak English very well. Along with it, you will definitely able to improve your English speaking very soon. Guys, you must emphasize on listening as much as possible you can, because listening plays a very important role in English speaking, in English improving. That's why I am suggesting you must emphasize on listening, because listening is everything. You must focus on this. If you listen more as much as possible you can, I guarantee you will definitely able to improve your English very easily, and along with it, you will get very good result very soon. If you do this regular, first you listen, then you speak. If you listen as much as possible, you will definitely able to improve your English speaking, and you will definitely able to do everything in English speaking. Yes, I hope you understood very well. Guys, it does not matter what you listen. You can listen English songs, English podcasts, English news channels. It's up to you, but you must listen. If you listen, then you will get different types of things in English. Like you can get different types of English vocabularies, and as well as along with it, you can improve your English pronunciation very easily. So you must focus on listening. The next tip is that practice, practice, practice. Guys, why am I saying practice, practice, practice? I am saying 3 times practice because practice also plays a very important role in English speaking. First you practice, then you speak. You can practice as much as possible you can, but you must focus on practice. You should practice every day, not in one day. If you do practice every day, then you will get very good result very soon. So guys, you must focus on practicing. You should practice a lot as you can. You don't give up your practicing. Your practice will make you confident in English speaking, and your practice will build your confidence. So practice is everything. You can practice with your friend, you can practice by yourself. It's up to you, but you must focus on practicing. The next tip is that listen English new whatever you want to listen in English. What does it mean, guys? It means that it does not matter what you listen, but your things should be in English. If you listen a lot in English, you will get different types of English vocabularies. You should always update. If you learn 5 or 10 vocabularies in a day, guys, I guarantee you will definitely able to think in English, and you will definitely able to improve your English speaking, and along with it, you will able to speak English very well if you do this. There are many things in English. It's up to you what you prefer to listen. And you must learn new vocabularies every day, because if you learn new vocabularies every day, you will definitely able to speak English very well. Vocabulary also plays a very important role in English speaking. Your vocabularies can be simple or your vocabularies can be advanced. You are learning this language in order to speak English, and you are learning this language in order to improve your English speaking. That's why I am suggesting you. I hope you understood this. The next tip is that start to note down English vocabularies and understand and learn them every day. It means that if you learn different types of vocabularies, guys, first you write vocabulary. No, first you listen. First you listen English vocabularies and then you write down on your notebook and then you recall and understand again and again. Because if you do this regular, your vocabulary will fix in your mind and you will never forget. You will never forget your vocabularies easily, because everyone does this. So guys, you must focus on English vocabularies. The next tip is that here I would like to suggest you can watch English movies, English cartoon videos, English animated videos. Means it's up to you. You can prefer whatever you like. Well, you must focus on watching videos, English videos, not Hindi videos. Guys, you watch as much as possible you can. If you watch English movies, videos, cartoons, means etc., you can improve your confidence, your pronunciation. So guys, you must follow this tip. If you follow this, then you will able to do everything in English. When I was beginner, I used to do this. I used to watch English cartoons videos. That's why I'm suggesting you. These types of video really will help you. Guys, you also do this. The next tip is that record yourself speaking and listen it back. It means that if you record your voice in the mobile, and this video clip will give you a lots of confidence, and this video clip will really improve your English speaking. And everyone does this who really wants to become fluent English speaker or good English speaker. They should this. If you record your voice in the mobile, after recording your voice, you can get your mistakes. Where did you make mistake? You can improve your body language, you can improve your facial expression. You can get everything from your video clips. Well, I hope you understood very well about it. And the next tip is that narrate your actions or activity. What does it mean? It means that you can express. Actions means activity or daily routine. Nobody knows your actions. Your actions could be anything. Whatever you do from morning till night, these works are called actions or activity. Well, like you can practice like this and you can express like this. When did you get up in the morning today? It's your action. And after that, what did you do? And after that, where did you go? And after that, what did you eat? And after that, what did you do? Means whatever you do from morning till night, these activities, these actions are called actions. These unique tips are most powerful for you all, because you are going to improve your English speaking. That's why you must follow all these tips. These tips are most powerful. I hope you understood whatever I told you. You don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching my video.